Just quickly looking at a question here from Ashley asking, how do we distinguish between the full-time employment and part-time employment on the calendar? For example, in today's session, we had employment coming in for Australia at 210,000, but full-time was a contraction of negative 38,000. So the part-time component actually is basically just the difference between the two. So if we had 210,000 jobs created, but we actually had a contraction of 40,000, then it means that our part-time employment actually came in at 250. So we basically it's just the difference between these two. So if we add that 40,000 on top of that, because that was a contraction, we should get to about 250,000 part-time jobs. But there is something that you can always just validate that with. You can go to the Australian Bureau of Statistics, and if we just look for the employment gauge, there we go, then we should see our full-time. So let me just show you that one more time. So our total 210, full-time negative 40, which means our part-time should come in at 250. And let's just scroll down here and see. Wait, I think we went past it. There we go. So here we can see total coming in at 210, full-time coming in with a decrease of 38, and that gives us a part-time employment of about 250,000. So it's always just the difference between the two. So if you want to know what your full-time, your part-time is, you're basically just it's just the difference between your normal headline employment as well as your full-time employment. So I hope that helps. Ashley, any other questions, don't hesitate to let us know.